at the beach today. Seagulls over there, airplane right there, metal detecting dude right there, and we are gonna be feeding these seagulls right now. So let's go. You know what I mean? They're right here. I have bread, and I'm gonna feed them. So this is what happens sometimes in life. When things don't go the way that you wanted them to go, so you basically have to just, I don't know, feed seagulls for the sake of fun. But let's see how they do. So those are those seagulls? I think those might be little young seagulls. And right there's the adult ones. So what I might do actually is set up the camera so I don't have to hold it, and I'm gonna feed them. Yeah, let me do that. Fuck you. Look, they all flew away. I don't know why they just flew away. Probably, I don't know. So throw the bread. 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 So let's go over here and get this. Those actually don't look like seagulls, but here they are, these guys. Bam! Right there. So I have the bag right here, the seagulls are right here, they're everywhere. And yeah. So yeah. That one came close. Yeah, not bashful at all. Oh, that's scary. That is scary. Look at me, I'm the king of the seagulls. King of the seagulls. King of the seagulls. I don't know if you could see, the sun is kind of over there, but and what I'm using to feed them is generic bread, home cooked. So yeah, this is a big piece right here. Break it off. Look at these guys, see? See, this is how you deal with them right here, see? You have to be very careful and just... Whoa! Get away! That is scary. When they're like all up on you like that, that is scary. That is scary. God damn. You see them in the shot? They're like everywhere. See? Freaking everywhere. I can't even see them, I think. I think I'll set you guys up for a little bit. Alright, I'll hold you guys now. So, about 50% of the bag is done now, let's say. Only a little bit left now. So, just grab a piece and damn, this one hit my shoulder with his wing. Yeah, guys, we're just having a good old time. There's still some left here. So, I don't know, I guess it's cool. Alright, well, there's this much left. About a good one solid piece of the loaf. Alright, last few pieces. Here we go. And I guess that's all pretty much. Well, let's go to the water now. Because we're out of stuff. Out of food. So I want to start a fish tank, and these rocks are really nice actually. I wouldn't mind getting a few of these rocks, but I don't think you can take ocean water from the beach legally. But, alright.